Welcome to 20 Car. The 2025 Genesis G90 isn't a car, it's a poem etched in steel, where the soul of Korean hanok palaces collides with quantum computing. Imagine moonlight crystallized into a sedan. Its body, a fluid sculpture of brushed titanium and liquid glass, ripples like silk under the sun. The crest grille, inspired by janggu drum patterns, glows with bioluminescent filaments that pulse to the rhythm of your heartbeat. Flush-mounted laser headlights project constellations onto the asphalt, while retractable hanbok-inspired skirts unfurl at speed, turning air into an ally. This is not transportation, it's a moving monument to Seoul's future. Step inside, and the cabin becomes a Zen garden wired for war. Walls draped in hanji paper infused with gold leaf mute the chaos outside, while seats upholstered in fermented lotus silk adjust to your posture via AI that reads muscle tension. The dashboard, a single curved pane of OLED glass, floats holographic controls that vanish when unused. Think Minority Report meets a Joseon-era tea ceremony. A scent of seasoned system diffuses bamboo rain or jeju citrus, and the 32-speaker audio array replicates the reverberations of a kyogum string. Even the ambient lighting mimics the phases of the moon. Beneath the Serenity lies a hydrogen-electric powertrain, a 650-horsepower whisper that rockets the G90 to 100 km height in 3.9 seconds, swifter than a peregrine's dive. Its AI suspension scans roads 500 meters ahead, ironing bumps into oblivion, while torque vectoring carves corners like a master calligrapher's brushstroke. It outcoddles the Mercedes S-Class with craftsmanship and outsmarts the Lexus LS with neural network autonomy. Priced at $120,000, it's a manifesto for those who crave luxury without legacy baggage. Ownership? Genesis's Eternal Care program covers hydrogen refills and concierge maintenance, but those 22-inch and shrunk painted wheels are pothole magnets. Depreciation? Slower than a tectonic shift, though ensuring this techno-sage might require a fortune teller. Drive it, and the world dissolves into a meditative glide. The throttle responds to intention, not pressure, and the steering hums with the precision of a silk loom. Flaws? The rear seats reject yoga poses, and the AI butler insists on reciting Kim Seoul poetry.